November, National Cancer Awareness Day is celebrated to raise awareness about cancer and to encourage its prevention, symptom and treatment. In 2014, National Cancer Awareness Day was started by the announcement of former Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan Ji. According to him, this day focuses to educate people about cancer, its prevention, symptom and treatment.
According to the WHO, Indian consumed 5.7 liters of alcohol in 2016. According to this report, more than 3 million people died as a result of harmful use of alcohol in 2016. The harmful use of alcohol causes cancer, liver damage, self-harm, mental disorder and other conditions.
What we eat have a big impact on our risk of developing cancer. One of the biggest risk factors for cancer is being overweight or obese. Eating fast foods such as chips and fried chicken, etc., or other processed foods that are high in fat and sugar like chocolates, biscuits, etc., can make us gain weight, and there is a strong evidence that being overweight or obese is a cause of different types of cancer.
According to WHO, India is home to 12% of the world's smokers. In India, 34.6% of adults are smokers. Smoking causes the cancer of mouth and throat, esophagus, stomach, liver, rectum, colon, kidney, urinary bladder, and the respiratory tract. Combining counseling and medication is the most effective way to quit smoking before it leads to hazardous cancers.
Ultraviolet radiation from the sun can damage the genetic material in skin cells. If enough DNA damage builds up over the time, it can cause cells to start growing out of control, which can lead to skin cancer. Staying in shade, proper clothing, wearing hat, sunglasses, sunscreen, all these helps in protecting from the ultraviolet rays and reduces chances of skin cancer. Tobacco contains nicotine, which is proven to be the cause of oral cancer, pancreatic cancer, stomach cancer, esophageal cancer. Various support system programs and even prescription medications are available to help people quit chewing tobacco. Some diseases may not cause obvious signs or symptoms, particularly in the early stages. Regular physical checkups, screenings in the form of laboratory tests and other scans can find the disease like cancer early before it has chance to spread. Eating well can help one prevent and beat cancer in variety of ways. Foods that may lower risk of cancer are broccoli, carrots, beans, berries, cinnamon, nuts, olive oil, turmeric, citrus fruits, flax seeds, tomato, garlic contains anti-cancer properties. They help in reduce the spread and growth of cancer. Regular exercise can help prevent cancer as well as help people undergoing cancer treatment. Exercises can help prevent cancer by reducing inflammation, keeping weight under control, and boosting the immune system.
Hair will never grow back after cancer treatment?
When people undergo chemotherapy for cancer treatment, they may lose some or all of their hair.
Chemotherapy destroys cancer cells and even the good cells of the body, which may lead to a severe hair loss. But this condition is never permanent. Hair do come back after months of treatment or a year.
Cancer is a death sentence. It is not curable.
Cancer is curable, but the condition lies in the fact that whether the disease is being diagnosed at a very early stage or not. Though the treatment of cancer can vary from person to person and from disease to disease, but still, early detection is the only key to cure the disease.
Cancer is genetical disease.
Yes, according to the current estimates, 1 in 10 cases of cancer are associated with genes. Some faulty genes that will increase the risk of cancer from parent to child. These are called inherited cancer genes.
Cancer is a contagious disease.
No, cancer is not a contagious disease. There is nothing that will cause a cancer to be passed from one person to another, except for extremely rare circumstances.
Early detection and prevention is must to cure cancer disease. National Cancer Awareness Day highlights the risk of cancer across the country and provide knowledge on how to tackle the disease and what are the probable symptoms that should not be neglected. So, be aware, be safe, be healthy. Thank you.